In this video tutorial, we learn how to convert percentages to fractions. Now, the first one is 1%, and we know that percentage means what? Per 100, right? Per 100. So if anywhere it is written as X%, if you see this in this way, X can be any arbitrary number. This can be written as X over 100. That's what a percent symbol means, that is per 100. X% can be written as X over or X divided by 100, right? So this is true for any representation of percentage. If X percentage is written, you can write it as X over 100, and this is what? A fractional number. So same thing you'll do here. This is 1%. So 1% means what? It means 1 over 100. This is 3%. 3% means what? Remember this one. Percent means per 100. So 3% means what? 3 over 100. 4% means what? Sorry, 125% means what? It means 125% means 125 over 100, right? What does 200% mean if you have to write it into form of fraction? So 200% can be written as 200 over 100. Okay, so the main thing is this symbol percent means per 100, and if X% is written, that means if you have to represent it in a form of fractional number, then this is the way to do this, that is X over 100. Right? So this is the way.